Environmental Clearance Web Portal is an initiative to streamline EC approvals process for project proponents and environmental clearance authorities. Project proponents and authorities can securely log in with their official email address by going through two-step authentication process. Authorities are given special permissions to review, submit documents, raise queries, or comment and recommend for clearance. Users can create a new application or enter existing application ID to start new work. Once successfully logged in, project proponents submit the project high-level information and plot area. Web portal provides hints on values needed to be inserted along with detailed help. Auto calculation ensures that the field values are populated correctly. After clicking next, the validation for all the required fields and correct values are assured to proceed to the next step. Based on plot area given in the project info, category of the project is auto-selected and appropriate sections are populated to satisfy the clearance requirement. Each of the section has a form to fill in the required information and annex to submit the necessary supporting files. Files could be of different size and formats. Sections are marked in different colors to give clear understanding of the progress. Blue indicates section in process, gray indicates the section not yet started, and green indicates sections successfully completed. Multiple sections could be worked on in parallel by the proponent's team members. Also, these sections need not to be completed in one settings, they can be completed in multiple settings. Information filled in application is auto saved or can be saved manually. Application is saved in the draft mode. After completion of all sections, forms can be submitted for the review process. If any submission is not completed successfully, portal does not allow submission. Reviewers, upon receiving email about application submission, individually comment on various sections and the status is changed to queried mode. The submitter of the project proponent is notified about the query in the application. Upon login, proponents can see all the reviewers' comment and do necessary fulfillment and resubmit the application. After final satisfactory review, the project is recommended for EC clearance and is notified to the proponent and all the reviewers. Application can be downloaded and printed for further references.